Hello and welcome to video 2. Now in video 1, the last video you received, I asked you to look at page 3 and to put a very short description of what 100% achieving that particular goal would look, sound and feel like. And these were goals in areas that you set in your coaching wheel here. So it's each of these individual areas. So my description of area 1 for myself is I'm fit, I'm healthy, I love moving, I love exercising. So I'm writing about the benefits of how I look, feel, and sound when I'm actually doing the goal I said I was going to do. In this video, we're looking at setting the well-formed outcomes. Now, you already got started in this on the workshop, but my bet is you haven't filled in all 8 areas. Or if you have, you haven't refined them yet. So this is your opportunity to go back and write down specific well-formed outcomes for each selected areas. Now remember, you use positive language, and what we mean by positive language is say what you want to happen, not what you don't want to happen. And focus on what you want to achieve rather than what you want to avoid. So it's focusing what you want to happen, what you want to achieve. Make sure you include a short description of what you're doing and how this is making you feel as if it's actually happening. So, for example, my first one was area 1, exercise and well-being. And I wrote, I enjoy 2 coach-led classes plus complete 2 hours of cardio every week at my local gym. I attend at least 2 yoga classes a month and have at least 1 sauna a week. Now, I have achieved most of that apart from the yoga classes because when I originally said that, I had a problem with my shoulder and yoga wasn't right for me. So I was able to change that. So I changed it to I enjoy 2 coach-led classes plus 2 hours of cardio every week at my local gym. I stuck with that one. I just removed the yoga and I go for a sauna now at least once, sometimes twice a week, and I've added a swim into that. So it's now sauna and swim. I've just replaced the yoga with that. So it's talking about what you're doing. It's I am not I'm going to or not I will. I have or I am doing. And notice how that makes you feel. And remember, read these goals out loud. Read them out loud and really play with that to see how it feels. So what I'd like you to complete from this video is all the 8 areas or as many areas as you've completed from your coaching wheel. So you have very specific SMART, which is specific, measurable, achievable, realistic and time-bound goals. So you've actually put a time that you're doing it and do that for each one and then read it out so you can actually feel yourself being motivated with that particular goal. So you can do, if you've got 8 you're working on, that's fine. If it's only 4, that's fine also, because this is about doing the things that work for you. So I'll see you in the next video.